If you want to sound more professional at the piano, pay close attention to the fingering you're using on chords. If you use good chord fingering, you'll improve your accuracy tremendously. You'll be able to play powerfully and apply voicing. Remember, voicing is where you bring out one of the notes on the chord more than the others. You'll also be able to play chords smoothly and connect between chords, which is so important. In today's video, I'll share some great chord fingering that will help you achieve all of these goals. If you play chords with weak finger combinations, you won't be able to achieve the voicing needed for powerful chords. And sometimes you won't even be able to put all the notes down. You might struggle a lot if you're using the wrong fingering. A good example of that would be if you're, say, doing a chord and you use 1, 4, 5. That's a bad combination in this particular case. 1, 3, 5 is much better. I see a lot of times where students will stretch out between two notes, between 5 and 4 like this, where it really is better to use 3 and 5 with these two notes in between. The most common fingering for chord inversions that you're going to see everywhere is 1, 3, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. And in the left hand, you're going to see 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 5, 2, 1, 5, 3, 1. So we hear a lot of complaints about, well, I just can't play my chords smooth and connected. Well, that's because you're not using the right fingering. If you use this fingering, that's not going to help you to play connected. There's a lot of hopping and jumping there. The better alternative for that is use 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. Now hold the fifth finger, cross over with 1, 2, 3, and play 2, 3, 5. Coming down, 3, 2, 1. Hold on to your thumb, cross over with 2, 3, 5, and then play 3, 2, 1. Okay, listen to the difference between that. Versus this. So that gives you that smooth connected chord playing. Here in the left hand, 5, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Cross over the thumb, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5. Cross over the fifth finger. Yes, it's a little awkward to cross over, but you get the smooth sound by doing so. So it's a wonderful fingering for the triads. It doesn't work for 7 chords. The 7th chords, you have to use either 1, 2, 4, 5 or 1, 2, 3, 5 on all your 7th chords. But on your augmented, there's that 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. And here's the diminished. There are 3 reasons why I recommend connective fingering on chords, like the 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. I'll give you an example of the Chopin Ballade in G minor. This is the first ballade. It's got this left hand that goes like this. And if you play it like this, you're going to have to watch that hand, but you really can't because you've got to watch this hand. That means this hand needs to be able to find the notes by itself. If you use connected fingering, like this, look at what I'm able to do without looking down, because my fingers are finding the notes, so I'm connecting with my fingering. A lot of times I see students play this like this, and I have to make sure that they change that so that they're connecting the chords here. Now, that being said, then one of the other reasons is it improves your accuracy also, because you're more likely to play the right notes doing that than you are hopping with your hand like that. So I very much recommend that you work on connecting notes in passages like this. Here's some more of it. So again, in all cases there, I'm connecting my notes with my fingers, and I'm not just hopping from chord to chord. Now, another reason why I feel that it's very important to do that is it's going to help you with memory. If you're doing this kind of connecting on any piece, we're talking any piece, you've got some of this kind of stuff going on in it. If you're doing connective fingering, you're not going to have a memory slip. But if you do this kind of fingering, you can really forget where your hand goes. You might forget, not know where to go there. Where if you're connecting, your hand is used to that pattern, and that really helps you with memory. You want to stay as close to those keys as you possibly can and connect those chords. Hopefully I've convinced you how important it is to use connective fingering. Just in case, though I haven't, here's another great example. Here's the Chopin Nocturne in E flat. This is Opus 9, number 2, very famous nocturne. This is this piece. Now, many times I'll give this piece to a student, and I'll see them come back and playing their left hand like this. So they're hopping from 1-5 to 1-2-5. 1-5 to 1-2-5. So the first thing I have them do is just isolate their left hand. And I have them do this, play 2-5 to 1-2-4. So 2-5 to 1-2-4. 2-5 to 1-2-3. 2-5, 1-2-4. Now you can hear how beautiful that sounds. It doesn't have that clumpy sound when you're hopping from chord to chord. So it makes a beautiful sound. And Chopin put a slur over these chords, so he wanted those connected. If you're interested in improving your piano technique, explore this playlist next. We have videos that will help you overcome your struggles with octaves, trills, arpeggios, scales, and more. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for helping us reach more people.